Hey guys, welcome back to Geoff's Garage. So today we'll be taking a look at a circuit board from a gas furnace. The relay that runs the fan has burnt out around the contact here, so we're going to try to fix this PCB. So I got a spare board here with extra relay on it, so we'll just remove the part first from my parts board and get it ready to go on the new one. I always like to put new solder mixed with the old solder, lower the melting point on the solder, make it way easier for my manual solder sucker to remove the solder. There's only 4 points on the relay we need to desolder, so it's not a big component, but we just want to be careful not to wreck the components. So time to watch some quick disassembly. There we go. So now I got to be really careful, just wiggle it. Don't try pulling it out, just wiggle nice and easy. Comes out nice. Now the same process with the burnt board. Add solder to all the joints before trying to suck it out. And I know that this is only a 2-layer PCB, or a single layer board really, so you don't have to worry about different layers shorted together on this board. And using the solder sucker here, just got to click the button and pop, suck the solder out. Just got to keep doing it again and again to make sure those holes are all cleared out. Once again, being really careful to really wiggle this out easy and not try to rip any traces. Just touching up, making sure that those holes are all cleared out, that little extra solder left on there, so we could fit the new one in, nice and easy in there. So we're going to have to use the engraver here to remove some of the solder masks, so we got a new place to solder to on this burnt terminal. So we're going to use a little cutoff of copper wire to connect the terminal to the new pad. Just installing the new relay now on the board. So now it's time to solder the legs down and then add solder to that new solder pad that we just cleaned off with the engraver. And then we'll have to put that offcut of wire across to connect the terminal. So this is that piece of offcut I was using to connect that terminal here. So after it's all said and done, I've restored the board back to a working state. It was tested after this. I'd like to thank my subscribers and all the supporters of my channel. And you guys stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.
Generate by